Hey guys, I'm going to be sharing a couple applications with you right now. The first one is called Snoring You. That's the name of it, Snoring You. And what it does is it is supposed to monitor the noise level of you snoring while you sleep. And this just to me is one of the funniest things ever was, but it does work. I guess it's based on a noise level that when it reaches a certain level of noise on the iPad, somehow they've got it programmed to wake you up. And what you can do is you can record your sleep session and play it back, and it graphs it to if you want to see a graph of when you snored the most, when you snored the loudest, and how many times it had to wake you up during the night. It calls it a nudge. It nudges you during the night if you get too loud. You can set the sensitivity and the dynamic threshold. It's got different themes. It's got the nudge sound to play. You can select the level of the nudge volume and the maximum number of nudges per night that you want to be nudged. But I just thought this was a great app. If you got a loved one or someone that you know snores, this might be something that you could use. If nothing else, that will prove to them that they do have a snoring problem, and they can physically see it on paper just how much and how long during the night that they're snoring, and maybe you can get them go to the doctor, and if nothing else, this may help them with their snoring problem and get them to be able to have a more peaceful night. And another one along the same lines of the snoring, on the other aspect of it, is called Baby M. Baby Monitor, if you want to call it that. And what it does is when you turn the monitor on and the baby starts crying, first of all you can set the settings on this just like on the other one. And what you do is, if the baby starts crying, it plays a certain song, or you can set the clip volume, you can set the length of the clip volume, you can set the sensitivity. That's what I meant by the level of crying. Baby M's sensitivity, you can see as I'm talking here, that needle is moving, and when I stop talking you can watch it go down. Watch this. Hey, see how it's coming back up. And when that comes up to a certain level, and it's set to 2.3 now, it'll automatically kick over and start playing this clip. And you can select the sound that you want to play. Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Twinkle Twinkle Little. And I just thought this was real good for the baby during the night. You can just plug your iPad up, lay it next to the baby, and if it cries or something, maybe this will be something that, if it only worked one time during the night, that would be one time that you didn't have to get out of bed to go to the baby. But maybe that would be that little something to nudge you to just sort of make it want to soothe it back to sleep. But overall, I thought both those applications were pretty interesting. Check them out if you've got a baby or somebody that's snoring. Maybe this will be something that you could use. I hope the video helped. Come over to iPhoneCaptain.com. Check out these apps in the App Store. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can pick them up in the App Store. Thanks for watching.